A divorce in Switzerland has often financial consequences, among other things. Married, provided, forever, hardly. The golden times are over. Even if you may have to pay temporary alimony, a divorce also could have positive sides. You may be relieved, realign yourself, reshape your life, and have even more time for yourself. This video is about the calculation of alimony. Furthermore, you will receive some practical tips on how to prepare for divorce. My name is Tamara Freiner. I am an independent attorney at law in the canton of Zurich. If you like this video, please share it. 3 questions are crucial in calculating alimony. To what standard of living is a spouse entitled? Can he or she provide for his or her maintenance? Is he or she self-sufficient? What is the capacity of the other spouse? Is it possible for the debtor to pay alimony without having to give up his or her own relevant standard of living? How is maintenance now calculated? According to the Swiss Federal Supreme Court, the amount of maintenance payments is calculated using a 2-step method with surplus distribution. This applies to child support and spousal maintenance or post-marital maintenance. By way of exemption, exceptional favorable financial circumstances may be deviated from the 2-step method, whereby this must be justified. First, we look at the income. So the total income has to be determined, namely the income of the spouse or parents, as well as the one of the children. So we look at income from employment, bonuses, investment income, rental income, family allowances, and so on. Then we look at the saving rate. The income is to be reduced by any saving rate to calculate the standard of living during the marriage. A saving rate must be claimed and proven by the person obliged to pay alimony or child support. After the separation, the saving rates must be adjusted for incremental costs due to the separation. Then we look at the need. The needs of all is to be determined. So basically, we assess the cost of living on the basis of the minimum subsistence level on the debt collection law, and if there are sufficient financial resources, we add some items and extend to the minimum subsistence level on the family law. So to start with, we start with the need determined on the poverty level on the basis of the guidelines for the calculation of the minimum subsistence level on the debt collection law. If sufficient financial means are now available, the next step is to extend to the subsistence minimum on the family law and add some items such as taxes, extra mandatory health insurance, and maybe more generous housing costs. Subsequently, we compare the income to the need, the cost of living. A deficit or a surplus may result. Hopefully a surplus. If an excess remains, it is distributed at discretion. This is done only according to large and small heads. Minor children have half the surplus share of their parents. What is your personal situation? Do you know your income and your needs? Please make a note of your living expenses, such as rent, utilities, health insurance premiums, phone costs, and your net income, additional income, investment and rental income, and so on. What does your partner earn? Copy his salary statement and also copy your tax return. Do you desire a just, amicable, modern divorce that you negotiate on your own terms? You need professional preparation a strategy, and someone on your side for your support, contact me for a joint conversation.